First, we need to talk about the 90%. 90% of real estate agents leave the industry in the first 2 years. This is often because of finances running out, customers never coming in, or because of the demand placed on their life. Right now, the two biggest problems leading to this are time, with real estate agents often spending 14-hour days, 6 days a week manually performing administrative tasks, lead management, client follow-up, and a host of other things, all while struggling just to stay ahead. In technology, if you were to tap into the zeitgeist of real estate, you would hear most successful agents preaching the path to success being through automating out your business systems. And though this is correct, few agents can successfully achieve this advice due to lack of recorded processes, understanding, or limitations in their own technology. This is what Workflow Secrets is working to fix. A little bit of history for you guys. In the 1950s, the Rolodex was invented to house business information. By the 1980s, CD-based software had replaced the Rolodex, now digitally storing that information. Then, in the 1990s, Salesforce launched the first CRM, which allowed you to take information stored in its system, like names, and attach it to things like emails, which to this day is still considered the gold standard for personalization in business communication. Since then, other than a few adding automations and effectively duct taping AI integrations onto these outdated platforms, they still predominantly serve to house business information, just like the Rolodex of yesteryear. That is, until today. Workflow Secrets is developing our own category of technology designed to replace these CRM housing systems. The Systems Accelerator is a category of AI-powered tools like SAM designed to create, refine, house, but most importantly, use the information stored in the systems to help you with your business systems. What sets a System Accelerator apart is a ground-up use of AI at every step in the process to ensure information shared is leveraged by the system. With SAs, Workflow Secrets is working to reimagine the CRM landscape, creating the next step in the evolution of CRMs. So now let's take a look at how SAM is leveraging this ground-up approach to AI. How does SAM accomplish this? Well, it all starts with generating custom resources for your business written in your voice. Once you have these resources created and refined, you can house them on your website and start sending traffic to them. By also adding our chatbot, SamChat, to your website with a single line of code, now anyone who visits your website can either trade their details for your resources or organically engage with SamChat, which will gather this information as it's answering their questions. As information comes in, it's then sent to Sam and a new contact is created. Now, if this was all Sam did, it'd be pretty incredible. But my team and I are working on the next phase, phase 3 of SAM, which allows us to step into a role as the first of a kind system accelerator. This is done by what we have named the communication matrix. As details are added to a contact, Sam is going to help create custom content designed specifically for the person receiving it. What this means is as you learn about a lead, their likes, their dislikes, hobbies, goals, or maybe about their family, and you share it with Sam, the system can use this information to create truly personalized interactions. It can also help coach you on how to build better relationships with those people. Now, the other thing it can do is start automations. For each automation, you are asked to define an action or the thing you want to happen, an objective, or the overall outcome to create documents, text messages, emails, schedule appointments, or even nurture relationships by sharing relevant content to their interests. So, for example, Sam is given the objective to craft a custom email for Jose. It's written in your voice, but it's using information shared about Jose to personalize it to him. If Jose prefers a text over an email, not a problem. Sam can generate a custom text message. If Jose prefers Spanish over English, not a problem. Sam can translate that into Spanish and then show you both versions for you to proofread before helping send on your behalf. Now, the gold standard for personalized business communication no longer means simply using merge fields. I believe what sets SAM apart from other AI tools is it's a complete system. It offers a ground-up approach to using AI in your business at every step in the process to free up time for the things that matter most: friends, families, hobbies, and growing your business. Thank you for your time. I'm happy to answer any questions.